Welcome to Voicethread. Voicethread is a free web-based program that allows the user, you, to be able to upload any piece of media, whether it's a photograph, a work of art, a piece of text, or a video, and allows you and your students and anyone else that you give permission to have a conversation about the subject matter. Really, the best way to see what a voice thread is all about is to look at one. So I'm going to give you an example of one right now. This is an example of what a voice thread can look like. In this case, it's a piece of text from the Amida. Each of these symbols that you can see here represent an individual who is making a comment about the text. In this particular case, it's a group of 5th graders from Temple Beth David, which is a conservative congregation in Palm Beach Gardens. And what they're doing is they're giving their interpretation of this prayer, of the Gvurot. Let's go and listen, and you'll get a sense of what you can do with this program.
God is a hero because he gives life to the dead. He gives us everything we could possibly need. Examples in the prayer are the one who lifts up the fallen and heals the sick and frees the prisoners.
You're a hero. You give us resources. You heal the sick. You free the prisoners, and you establish faith. You are the ruler of death and life.
So that is what a voice thread is. As you saw, you had basically a conversation or an interpretation. It's a way for the students to be able to interact with the text or whatever media you want, and it's fun and it engages them because it's not what they're used to doing in a religious school classroom. So how do you use VoiceThread? It's very easy. The first thing you do is you sign in and you register. You type in your first name, your last name, type in an email, re-enter it, type in a password that you choose, re-enter the password, and then you have to, of course, use this CAPTCHA human authentication program. Make sure that you're not a computer, and you type in these words, and then you click register, and you're in. Now, I already have a VoiceThread account, so when you want to sign in, what you do is you just type in your email, your password, you hit sign in, and you're there. So once you log in, this is what you see first. It's the home page, if you will. You have a number of choices. You can click My Voice, which shows all the voice threads that you may have created, or actually gives you access to a number of other different tutorials that VoiceThread supplies. It's very good with its customer support. This is the Create palette, which I will explain in a few moments in the next video, actually. And this is the Browse. This is where all the voice threads live. If you want to see what other people have done with VoiceThread, you just click Browse and you just go through the 29 pages to see all the different types of voice threads. You can, if you're looking for a specific topic like Israel, you can type in Israel, and it will take you to voice threads that have to do with Israel. In our next video, we're going to learn how to create our own voice thread.